She calls me a racist over and over and over. She tells me to go f myself.
On March 8, 2025, at Tampa International Airport, police were called to handle what appeared to be a routine argument between airline employees. Within minutes, that ordinary workplace disagreement escalated, turning an ordinary workplace argument into a criminal investigation in a matter of moments.
Hello, sir. I'm Officer Dasta. This is Officer Tran.
Okay.
You know what we're here.
Yeah,
I don't.
We're here because of something that happened on the bus.
I asked the lady to turn her phone off.
Fleischmann claims the victim was being loud and aggressive. He admits to tapping her on the shoulder to get her attention.
Reporting a battery incident on the bus.
What was the
So
battery?
that's what we're here for. Because
I asked her to turn her phone off.
Just so you know, we have other witnesses from other airlines too.
Okay.
I just want to hear the version, your version of this.
So I was in the bus shelter. She's screaming on the phone, and I said, "Can you turn your phone off?" She calls me a racist over and over and over. She flips me off with her fingers. She tells me to go f myself. And I said, all we need is quiet in the shelter. We need quiet on the bus. We're going here. We go into the terminal. I find her coworkers coming down, and they give me her boss's information because I want to send a thing and say we don't scream on the bus. We don't do anything. And
Well, apparently this happens. This started before the bus, and then during the bus.
it started in the shelter, then on the bus, and then coming to work.
Okay.
So I followed her down towards the Marriott. Her coworkers coming this way. 3 of them stopped and said, "Oh, this is our boss's number." I have the boss's. I took a screenshot of the boss, and I said, "We don't need to yell on the bus. Everybody can have earphones. Everybody can be texting. You're screaming." I said, "Don't screaming." I did turn around and put my hand on her shoulder, and I said, "Can you please stop?"
In Florida, any intentional touching against a person's will, no matter how slight, can be legally defined as battery.
have an exchange where you reach over, grab her badge, and take a picture of it.
I don't think I took a picture of her badge, no.
I
This is my
have American
phone.
Airlines witnesses. They said a little bit different of your story.
Okay.
You did touch her shoulder. That's what they say.
I did touch her shoulder on the bus.
And then she told you to don't touch me.
She said, "I'm being..." She started screaming, and I said, "Nobody needs to
It's
hear."
technically a battery, just so you know. When you touch or strike somebody
I didn't
without
strike.
their permission, I'm
Okay.
telling you how the Florida statute reads.
Okay.
When you touch or strike a person and
So
they
this
don't
is
want to be
her.
touched, it is a battery.
Okay, but I don't have a picture of her ID on my phone.
Okay.
So this is my phone.
Okay.
Did you try to grab the ID?
No, I don't know that I ever touched her ID.
Okay.
I know I touched her shoulder, and she screamed when she was sitting down.
And you never reach for her ID.
I don't remember reaching for her ID.
Did you touch her shoulder or you tap it?
I said we don't need to be hearing anything.
Okay. Yeah.
We still gotta get the video from the bus inside the
Yeah.
bus too.
Okay.
So what happened was, because what leading to when you touch her, obviously she did not want you to touch her. She did not want to be touched.
Okay.
And the letter of the law, per statute, that's a matter.
I did touch her. I
Right?
will.
You did not strike her, but you did touch her, and that is unwanted touch.
Okay.
And based on the law,
Okay.
that constitutes a battery. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna need you to go with me. Actually, you have an ID with you, sir?
Yeah. You want my United one?
No, your driver license.
Sure.
And we. So just walk back with me. I'm gonna
Okay.
get you a court date, okay?
A court date?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So basically, we are gonna arrest you and release you on your own recognizance.
Okay.
You will get a court date, and it's up to the state attorney whether they wanted to when they talk to her, they wanted to press charges when they see all the videos
Okay.
from everywhere.
Okay. I just
Obviously,
don't
we
want
was
people.
not there, but we do have witnesses
Okay, and what did the
So-
witnesses say?
that you touched her.
I did touch her.
Yeah.
I
That
did.
you guys were arguing back and forth since
that is
the whole
true.
time. So
That is.
we're just gonna give you a court date, and
Okay.
then if you have any letter from the court, you better respond.
Okay.
But
And once we get to the office, I'm gonna give you a statement form for you to fill out so that you have your side of the story in paper. Okay?
Okay.
While one officer focused on the accused, another officer turned to the original account that sparked the investigation.
Right. So how did it all start?
A Cayman Airways contractor was speaking French on a personal call. She claims Frederick Fleischmann told her to close her mouth and touched her.
Okay.
I was like, okay, just okay, and I go outside.
Mm-hmm.
And I still talking to my uncle.
Yeah.
And he stand and come to me like, close your mouth.
He tell you to like close
And
your mouth.
I was like, are you racist?
Yeah.
Why you bothering me? And it was like, I can hear you.
Mm-hmm.
That's my
She speaks French, so her English is a little broken. That's
Okay,
why.
and you were speaking to your uncle in French.
Yes.
Okay. And then he tried to grab your badge. Okay. Okay, like did he actually grab it like that?
Exactly. I was like, what's wrong with you? And
Yeah.
the boss, I was sitting next to him,
Yeah.
and he was like,
Okay. And what did he say? He just
um,
like after he tapped on your shoulder, what did he say?
it's my last day here.
It's okay.
It's gonna make sure they fire me.
You say it's that his last day there. He's gonna make sure.
Yes.
Okay.
And he take pictures and he take videos. Everything see when you touch me, because I was like, don't touch me. What's wrong with you?
Yeah. Okay.
And he followed me until I take the liver.
So after he tapped you, did you continue to tell him to stop? And did he do it?
After that, he stopped.
Did he stop? Okay. So when you told him stop touching me, then he stopped. Okay. So all this grabbing back and all that happened before you tell him to stop.
Yes.
Okay.
That was at the bus stop when he from.
That was at the bus stop.
When he tried to drop my bag.
Okay. The touching, was it on the bus? Or
Yes, on the
okay, on the bus.
And how far did he follow you?
Oh, Marriott.
All the way to the Marriott?
Yes.
Okay. So he went into the Marriott, the office, and then. Okay. All right. He saw you tap you on the shoulder and try to grab your badge. Did he touch you in anywhere else?
No.
And right after you tell him to stop, he stopped completely, but he just follow you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it stopped injuring me. It's still injuring me. Like when he followed me at the Marriott, every agent see him. He asked them if they who's are my boss? Who is my boss?
Okay, so he was
Because
asking.
he wanna make sure it's my last day here.
Okay.
The accused individual was identified as Frederick Fleischmann, a 58-year-old United Airlines flight attendant. He was detained during the investigation and later released. Following the investigation, officers determined that the interaction met the legal threshold for a battery under Florida law, based on unwanted physical contact. No injuries were reported. The reporting party was not charged and was allowed to leave the scene. On May 16, 2025, the state of Florida formally abandoned the case. No conviction was entered and no further legal action was taken.